How to fix Google Drive error 403. So if you're facing a problem with Google Drive, then what you need to do is simply go for apps, which is on the upper right. Go for Google Apps, and then you need to open up your drive. And once you open your drive, here you will have your drive, right? So under your drive, you can simply go for trash, which is on the bottom left. And you need to clear all of your trash items. And after clearing your cache, you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then go for settings. And under your settings, you can go for extensions. And under extensions, if you have turned on any kind of VPN, then you need to simply turn off your VPN. And once you've turned off, now you can again go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon. And now you can simply go for history. And then again click on history, and here you need to clear your history. So simply go for the left side and click on clear browsing data, and then click on clear data. Now your problem will be fixed. And after that, you need to restart your device, and once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.